good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rides. Welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another video where we must say goodbye to the Alfa Romeo Giulietta. That's right, my friends in Europe. It's going to be a sad day. We must prepare ourselves for the end of the Giulietta's run. 2020, end of next year, rumors are circulating that Alfa Romeo is cutting production, and they're betting everything possibly on the Tonale. Now, the Giulietta was launched back in 2009 and has been one of Alfa Romeo's most successful cars. So we know that it has really left its mark on the brand, and it's going to be a sad loss for Alfa Romeo. So as I said, news is circulating on the web for a possible farewell to the Giulietta. They could become by the end of 2020. Now, if Alfa does say goodbye to the Giulietta, that means everything's going to be betting practically on the Alfa Romeo Tonale, which is the crossover SUV that we saw at the Geneva Motor Show last March and could be distributed by 2021. Now, by the end of next year in 2020, production should begin at the Polignano plant. But even with the updates and the big names, the Alfa Romeo sales seem to not recover. In the recent years, the Giulietta has registered a decline in numbers. The car probably also feels the weight of the years, which is now 10 years. We also have to take into consideration that the entire segment of compact sedans is in a crisis in Europe. SUVs and crossovers are now the most popular models on the market, which is why we're seeing death to a lot of sedans. When Alfa Romeo launched the Giulietta, they had an intention on countering at what was the time practically the queen of the C segment, and perhaps still is. Now, 10 years have passed, a whole decade, and they should have relaunched the Giulietta by now when the market was strong for it, but now, that's not the case. But with all that said, the Giulietta was a successful car over there in Europe. Now, today, the trend is SUV and crossovers, and it's pushed sedans to second place. So the Giulietta, we have to thank it for its 10 years, but it has greatly reduced in sales numbers as of late. The Giulietta still remains a beautiful car, has won awards time after time, especially for design, and even after the restylings of the Alfa Romeo Giulietta in 2013, 2016, and the last one of this year, it seems like next year will be the last time to see the sedan. With it leaving the Casino plant, guess what will take its place? The new DSUV Maserati. So as Thanos would say, a soul for a soul. But with that said, guys, are you sad to see the demise of the Giulietta after a 10-year run? And everyone over in Europe, who has owned a Giulietta, who owns a Giulietta, and will it be missed? I know I've heard the frustrations and comments before about the Giulietta, wanting more from it, knowing that it's a great car, knowing that it had much more potential, but that Alfa didn't really do much with it towards the end of its lifespan. So with that said, definitely drop your comment, feelings, everything down below. I need to know your expertise. We need to have a big conversation about this. Now, with that said, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video today. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Giving it a like helps get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we can have a bigger conversation about the end of the production of the Alfa Romeo Giulietta by next year. Now, with that said, if you guys want to help support, definitely check the links down below. I do have a one-time link donation through my PayPal if you guys want to donate $1 or $2 to the channel. You can also be a Patreon subscriber or just check out my social media, Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram, all the good stuff. See what I'm posting, see what I'm up to next. You can check out the Ron's Rides merch too. If you guys want to get a hoodie, keep warm for the winter, well, check that out. The link's down below. And you can also subscribe and click that notification bell for more Ron's Rides videos. You can get them straight to your inbox. With that said, we will see you guys in the next Ron's Rides video. You guys be blessed. Have a great day. We'll talk to you guys then. Peace.